What's going on, guys? Master T here, bringing you another unboxing video. But before we get to that, let me start by saying the Lightning Audio Bolt Series B2 150.2 is the very first amp I've ever owned in my life. 150 watt 2-channel, 75 watts per channel, or 150 watts wind bridged. So, what could that be? Let's find out. Sorry about that. Obviously, cutting tape from a box is not a one-handed job. Oh, what's that? Taramps. Oh yeah, Taramps TS 800X4. That's 200 watts per channel. Ooh, this thing's actually got some weight to it. Wasn't expecting that. See, even my daughter's up there having a good old time. This is a 1 ohm model version. Now, let's compare size. First amp I've ever owned to still in box 800X4. Box is about the same size. Oh no, actually, if I push this to the end, oh, hold on, wait. Let's not cheat here. We've got some overhang. So, Korean, I think that's Korean, might be Chinese. We got your traditional 150x2 is smaller than Brazilian 800x4. Let's use this. Starbucks gift card. There's a Starbucks gift card for size comparison. Or a dollar bill. Are you having fun up there or something? Jeez. More tape. Ow. The owner's manual. 1 ohm, 2 ohms. Stickers. There's the specs: 400x2 at 1 ohm, 12.6 volts. At 2 ohms, we're looking at 500 watts RMS, 125 watts by 4. And at 4 ohms, we're looking at 60 watts per channel. So we got the specs for the 1 ohm model and the 2 ohm model. And of course, this here is if you're running it. Another good thing about this amp is it's full range. Let me see, where is it? Yeah, this amp is full range. So if I were to say run it as a 3-channel, 200 watts to 2 of the channels, so like you'll have 100 watts going to your fronts, 100 watts going to your rears, and then you got 1 by 400 watts 2 ohms bridge. And that of course would be you take channels 3 and 4, bridge them together, and that would be for your subwoofers. You run your whole little car off this. Or it's just a suggestion, as someone who has a daughter, it'll be perfect for a Power Wheels build. Just throwing that out there. And here it is. Taramps TS 800x4. Class D amplifier, 800 watts RMS, 1 ohm. And you have it. Channel 1, 2, 3, 4. Remote power ground. Channels 1, 2, 3, and 4. You got your crossover for each side, your gain, and there's no fan, but compare the size. Here's the 150 by 2. There is the 800 by 4. The Starbucks gift card. And traditional $5 bill is practically larger than the amp itself. So this is a now I'm not claiming to have big hands or anything like that, but you see how I get my mitts on this thing. And there you have it. Taramps TS 800 by 4. If you would like to order one of these, just inbox me. Or if this is on YouTube, you know, write down in the comment section and I'll inbox you. If 800 by 4 is too much, or if 1 ohm just isn't going to be your cup of tea, we also have the 2 ohm models, as you've seen from the owner's manual. Oh yeah, look at that. See? Crossover. High pass, full range, low pass. See? What do you want to use it for? You want to use it for everything? You want to use it for your highs? You want to use it for your lows? Yep. Or here, like I was saying, see, run it off your, or run your entire system off it. So you got 4 interior speakers. Those are, those look like 3-way 6x9s and 3-way 6 1/4s plus a subwoofer. Have the same thing here. That's 3-channel stereo bridge. Oh yeah, that's just 2 ohm model and 1 ohm model. And then of course here you have, you could also just run a bunch of horns off of it. That works. Who doesn't like horns and being loud? So, yep, guys. If you want to order one, like I said, just inbox me. Signing out.